bells, jingle all the way.
Hey, good morning everybody. It is Vlogmas day 8. I just got out of the shower. As you can tell by my lovely skin that you can see so clearly. I just wanted to show you. So I used this Golden Star Beauty yesterday to try it out, and I really like it. I don't know if you can tell. I don't really have good lighting in my room. Oh, and it's like totally rainy outside, so that doesn't help either. But I got like a really nice tan going on, so I just put it on my body, so that's why I'm not dressed. But I just wanted to show you. So me and Vincent have had kind of a rough week. Just feeling disconnected and frustrated. And this morning I woke up to these beautiful flowers. I love them. Flowers are like one of my all-time favorite things in the whole world. And not only did he get me flowers, he got me donuts. Fritters, French crullers, and glazed. My favorite. Except for maple bars. I also love maple bars. Future hint, Vincent. But yeah, so while I'm waiting for my tan to dry, I just thought I would get these flowers cut down and put into this nice vase. I'm very happy. They're beautiful. Thanks, Vince. There we go. It's so pretty. And now I have a mess to clean up. It's so fun. My favorite thing.
A little bit high on the feeling.
I got all ready for the day. I uploaded Vlogmas day 7, and now we are on a mission today to buy a mattress. We are gonna buy a dang mattress.
We need one.
We need one so bad, and we're gonna need to get some bedding for it too. We're gonna go out to IKEA right now and see about mattresses there, because I think they have like a latex, like we really like memory foam. I know it's cheap, but like it also, we just really like it. So we're probably going to either get a memory foam or a latex mattress. They're like in the same price range and they seem nice. We're gonna go try them out, see what we can get. Fingers crossed we'll find something good.
To focus in the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola.
Welcome to IKEA. We don't have anything in our cart yet, but it's coming. What we need is a comforter /TV. We got so busy running errands we forgot to vlog anything. But
that sounds like deja vu.
I know, that's like every day for us. So I can't wait to show you when we get everything on our bed. We stopped at Dillard's Closeout and Vincent found some t-shirts that he needed, and now we're just at Target and we're gonna do, this is like our last errand. We just need to find a white comforter or like duvet cover to go over a comforter. That's all I want, because we found these really nice like kind of brownish sheets, and I think it'll look really nice with white. So we just need white. That's all we need. Okay, I'm gonna do it. This is our last errand. All right, I'm putting this in the vlog so that I can remember it, because I really like that a lot. We found the comforter that we wanted. It's like a damask one with the little like hotel looking stripes. I just think this looks so nice with our new like warm brown sheets. We're done! We did it! We spent like $600 total.
Probably 600 to 700, something
but,
like that.
So we got a new queen-sized memory foam mattress, a new like super plush memory foam cooling gel topper, new sheet set, 4 new pillows, extra new pillowcases, and a like decorative pillow, and a really nice damask like cotton comforter. So I think we did pretty good for $600. Like, I'm really stoked about it. I hope our bed is so comfortable that everyone in my family wants to come lay on our bed in our room. That's my goal in life, is to have the most comfortable bed in the house. I'm literally, like, I just keep saying how excited I am to go to sleep tonight because I'm so excited to go to sleep tonight. I've been needing this so badly. Me and Vincent realized we haven't been on like an actually, like a good normal bed since we got married. There's my brother. Because we were on an air mattress when we got married, then we were on a futon the whole time we were in France, and then we were briefly on like Vincent's old childhood bed at his parents' house. Other side, Daniel. And then again we were on an air mattress.
Other side.
So excited. Okay, my brothers are getting in the car. My mom just dropped them off here. We're gonna take them home with us. Hey. Hello. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Okay, Daniel, you have to sit in the middle.
Yeah.
It's a tiny seat, I'm sorry.
Well, it works out, okay?
Don't look at my forehead.
Why?
Because it's huge.
It's huge. That's mean. Where's mom? Goodbye, air mattress.
I'm just kidding.
Don't throw it. It like punches a hole through the wall. Here's our new mattress.
Brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
It's time. Are you ready for the big bed reveal? I'm super excited about it. We still don't have a bed frame, so it's probably not gonna look that impressive, but whatever. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh yeah, so this is a beautiful comforter that I was so excited to find. I made this, but I just think it goes with our colors. These sheets and these sheets are from Walmart. This is from Target. This is from Home Goods. And then we've got our $300 IKEA mattress under here, plus a $130 3-inch like gel topper from Walmart on that. And boy, is it so comfy. That is like the bed of my dreams. Oh, also, we got new pillows too, also from IKEA. This one's a down pillow and this one's like a polyester pillow, so we can just choose what we want as we get used to it. I love it, so cute. Aww. Leftovers for dinner. Vince is doing chicken and veggies. I'm doing enchilada soup.
Nice.
What are you doing, Daniel?
Well, you know what I'm doing?
Fortnite.
I'm eating nostrils in the air.
You're eating your new Fortnite creators mode. What are you doing?
So if you think you could handle the pressure,
What are you doing?
Watching a fight.
obliterate your flesh.
Which fight?
UFC.
Who's fighting?
I didn't follow. That wasn't the main card that I was following. But if Oliveira versus Gunnar, I forgot his last name. He's Icelandic, so it's unpronounceable.
They must not be very important.
No, I'm still waiting for the main fight to
Alrighty.
happen.
There you go.
Man, that was a fight.
I'm gonna watch Sherlock Holmes and make some ice and work on this vlog, which I need to get all ready to go tonight because tomorrow we have kind of a busy day with family and we're going out. It's so loud. Sorry. We're going out to Phoenix to spend some time with my dad's family. So I need to finish this tonight. So I'm gonna sign off now. It's like 9:30.
Oh my gosh.
And then
I'm sorry.
and then I will see you guys a la mañana. Is that the right thing to say? I feel like I just combined French and Spanish. I would ask Vincent, but he's watching that fight. Okay. Anyway, signing off for tonight. See you in Vlogmas number 9. Guys, we totally forgot to vlog when we were at the office or when we left the office. We got so busy.
I think we're just a little braided. We literally drove to here and we turned on Christmas music and we just didn't talk.
We just sat there.
I think we're both a little burnt out from this week.
So now we're eating food and